Welcome guys. In this video, we will be learning about AWS S3. So the first question is, what is S3? S3 is the simple storage service provided by Amazon, which is one of the options of storage provided by Amazon. This means that this allows us to store files inside it, and it is optimized for usage over the internet. This means that it is already having all those optimizations which are required for serving files on the internet. What kind of files? Static files. For example, images and videos and zip files and any kind of files that are not, say, changing dynamically. Next thing, why we prefer S3. So S3 is used to store and retrieve any amount of data anytime from anywhere on the web. And the thing is that we can store files ranging from some bytes up to 5 terabytes. So this means that we can even store a file as small as 1 byte, and we can store a file as large as 5 terabytes as well. So this is the flexibility that we get with S3. Next thing, say how we access these files. Accessing these files is very simple. We can access them directly, or we can access them with the help of a console, or even we can access those files with the help of, say, code as well. So it depends how we are serving those files, what all permissions we have set on those files, and say how we are able to access those files. Next thing is how we store data in it. Say suppose we have files, how we store those files inside it. So storage of files is very simple. All the files you provide to S3 are stored as objects within buckets. So anything you provide, a Word file or an image or a video or any, say, archive, you provide that file, it will be stored in the form of an object. Next thing, say, can we provide permissions on that particular object? Yes, we can set permissions on that particular object. Suppose I would want it to be accessed publicly, or suppose I would just want it to be accessed within my AWS account only. So I have those that flexibility of specifying those permissions. Next thing, what is a bucket? Bucket is a container which allows us to store objects inside it. So this means that indirectly we are just storing files inside a location, and that location is called as a bucket. So these buckets vary from region to region. S3 is a service which is a global service, and it does not say have any region specific page. But the thing is that the buckets inside it are region specific. So if you have three buckets, one in Mumbai, one in North Virginia, one in Ohio, so here you will be able to all see all these three buckets in a single location, in a single screen. So this is how this S3 works. And if you have any queries, you can feel free to ask in comments. Thank you.